वेलकम टू ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग क्लास 12th प्रोबेबिलिटी पार्ट नंबर 1 स्टार्ट करेंगे, बिल्कुल बेसिक से। चलो देखते हैं। दिस इज क्लास 12th प्रोबेबिलिटी पार्ट 1 एक्सरसाइज 13.1 एनसीईआरटी को। तो लेट अस सबसे पहले हम लोग देखते हैं बेसिक पॉइंट। तो आप जानते हो प्रोबेबिलिटी आपने क्लास 10th में भी स्टडी किया है और क्लास 11th में भी स्टडी किया है आपने। अब ये क्लास 12th के अंदर जो हमें करना वो क्या है, कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी। तो आपने सीखा था पहले बेसिक, व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी। प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एनी इवेंट इज व्हाट, फेवरेबल आउटकम बाय टोटल आउटकम। अब हमें यहां जानना है कि दैट इज अ प्रोबेबिलिटी, कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी। सो व्हाट इज द बेसिक पॉइंट, सी हियर। सो दिस इज basic point first. So basic point first is what? That is probability of E when F has occurred. So E and F are the two events and S is a sample space. So probability of E when F has already occurred is called probability E by F. So what is the formula? That is probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. You can also write this is N of E intersection F divided by N of F. Both are same. So probability of E when F has already occurred. So probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. And this can be also written as N of E intersection F divided by N of F. Yani total number of elements member of E intersection F divided by total number of member or element of F. Okay. Now this is a second point. Second point is what? This is probability of S when F has already occurred. So now S is what? S is a sample space, that is the total outcome, and F is any event where probability of F does not equal to 0. Here also in this case, this is probability of F does not equal to 0. So here probability of S by F, or you can say probability of F by F, that means this. So this equal to what? 1. So you can prove this also, because you know here that is probability of S by F. That is probability of S when F has already occurred. So from the formula number 1 we can write probability of S intersection F and divided by probability of F. Now you know S intersection F. So S is the total sample space, F is any event from sample space. So intersection is only probability of F. So you will get probability of F divided by probability. So this will what? 1. In the same way you can write this is probability of F when F is already. So you can write from the formula number 1, probability of F intersection F upon probability of F. Again here probability of F intersection F is what? Probability of F. So this is probability of F divided by probability. This is equal to 1. So this is the second condition. Okay. Now see the third point of the basic point. So what is the third point of the basic point? That is probability of A union B when F already occurred. So here A and B are two events and F is also an event where P of F does not equal to 0 and S is a sample space. So probability of A by B, A union B when F already occurred. So what can be right? This is probability of A by F, that is conditional probability of A when F has already occurred. In the same way this is probability of B when F has occurred, and minus probability of A. So this is probability of A by probability of B by F. Now this is what? That is probability of A intersection B by F. So probability of A intersection B when F has already occurred. So this is the format. But if A and B are disjoint, that is A event and B event have no any common, that is P of A intersection B will be what? 0. In this case, you can write this format, third number, probability of A union B when F already occurred equal to simply probability of A by F plus probability of B by F, right? So this is A and B are any two events. F is also an event where P of F does not equal to 0. So we can write probability of A by, conditional probability of A by F plus B by F minus probability of A intersection B by F. But if A and B are the disjoint set, then this portion A intersection B will be 0. Then we will get probability of A union B by F equal to simply probability of A by F plus probability of B by F. So this is the third point. Now the last point of the basic point is what? C. So last point of this basic point is, this is probability of E naught by F. So you already know the E naught means what? Probability of not A. So here probability of E naught when F has already occurred. So will be what? That is probability of 1 minus. So probability of 1 minus probability of E by F, right? So probability of E naught by F, conditional probability of E naught is what? 1 minus probability of E by F. So only with the help of this 4 format, we can solve every question of the exercise 13.1. So here we have written 5 questions, 1 to 5 exercise 13.1. So we will solve this question with a very easy way. So you see here. So now answer 1. So answer 1, what is the question? Given that E and F are the event such that probability of E given. So here what is given? Probability of E given 0.6 and probability of F, this is given 0.3 and probability of E intersection F given 0.2, and we have to find probability of E by F. So you know well probability of E by F, that means conditional probability of E. So we know the formula, probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. Now already it is given probability of E intersection F is what? 0.2. So we will write here value 0.2 and probability of F is already given 0.3. So this is 0.3. So this point and point cancel out, you will get what? 2 by 3. So this is the correct answer, 2 by 3. In the same way, we have to find probability of F by, that means conditional probability of F when E has already occurred. So what is this? Probability of F intersection E and divided by probability of E. So again F intersection is same 0.2, but probability of A is given what? 0.6. So we will put here 0.6. Again this decimal cancel out because after decimal 1 digit, after decimal 1 digit. So we will get how much? That is 2 by 6, which is called 1 by 3. So our correct answer is probability of Fy is what? 1 by 3 is the right answer. In this way, we have solved the question number 1, probability of E by F and probability of Fy. Okay? I think you have understood well. Now, second question. So, second question is what? See here. Second question is compute probability of A by B when probability of B is given 0.5. So here what is given? Probability of B. So this is probability of B given 0.5 and probability of A union B. This given 0.32. So we have to find probability of A by B. That is conditional probability of A. So we know already what is the formula. So this is probability of A intersection B and divided by probability of B. So probability of A intersection B already given 0.32 and probability of B given 0.5, right? So here after decimal 2 digit, here after decimal 1 digit. So you put here 0 so that number of digit after decimal become equal. Now after decimal 2 digit, after decimal 2 digit. So you can remove the decimal very easily. This 0 have no value. So what we get? This is 32 upon 50. Now you can cancel out the common factor. So what is common factor? 2. So it becomes 16. It becomes 25. So correct answer is what? 16 by 25. But every number is given in decimal. So you can change this number into decimal. So what is the trick? Here 25. So when any number is given in denominator 25 and you want to divide by 25, the trick is what? Multiply the numerator by 4 and after 2 digit there is a decimal. So 25 for the 100. So this is 64 after 2 digit decimal. So correct answer is what? 0.64. So any number given, you want to divide this number by 25. So there is a tricky approach. Multiply the numerator by 4 and after 2 digit take decimal. So 16 4 is 64 and after 2 digit decimal. So 0.64 our right answer. So this is the question number 2. Okay. Now see question number 3. So this is question number 3. If probability of A. So probability of A is given 0.8 and probability of B is given 0.5 and probability of B by A, conditional probability of B, it is given how much? 0.4. Now we have to find first part. So first part is what? This is the first part. Probability of A intersection B. This we have to find. So we know it is given probability of B by A equal to how much? 0.4. So probability of B by A is B intersection A and divided by probability A equal to 0.4. So probability of B intersection A or A intersection B both are same. So we can write here probability of A intersection B and probability A already given 0.8 and this equal to what? 0.4. So here nothing, that is 1. So if we cross multiply, we will get probability of A intersection B. 0.8 into 0.4. So 8 4 is 32. Here after decimal 1 digit, after decimal 1 digit. So from last after 2 digits there is a decimal. So here decimal. So 0.32 is our correct answer of the first part, probability of A intersection B. Okay. So now it is right. First answer is what? 0.32. Now you see part number 2. So part 2 is what? We have to find probability of A by B. So we know the formula A intersection B divided by B. So probability of A intersection B we have already found 0.32. So we can use it. So this is 0.32. Now probability of B. So probability of B given 0.05. So we will use 0.5. Probabilities be what? 0.5. So we will use here 0.5. Again you see after decimal 2 digit, here only 1 digit. So put here 10 so that number of digit after decimal will be same. Now you can remove the decimal very easily. This become 32 by 50. When we cancel the common factor 2, we will get 16 by 25. This is the right answer. Now the third part. So third part of this question is what? Probability of A union B. So you know probability of A union B what? Probability of A plus probability of B and minus probability of A intersection B. So everything now we have probability of A 0.8. So put the value 0.8. Probability of B we have 0.5. So put here 0.5. Now probability of A intersection B we have already found 0.32. So this is 0.32. Right? So हमने probability of A intersection B निकाला है 0.32. Probability of A already दिया हुआ है 0.8. Probability of B already दिया हुआ है 0.5. और हमें निकालना क्या है? Probability of A union B. So we can directly use this format: probability of A union B, probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Now add this number 8 plus 8 and 5 13. So this is 13. So after one digit decimal, so this is what? 1.3 minus 0.32. Now this is the subtraction. Lot of many students doing mistake in subtraction also. So what is the easiest way? Here after decimal 2 digit, here only 1 digit. So you make first number of digit after decimal same. So this is 1.30 minus 0.32. Now you can subtract very easily. 0 minus 2, that is 10 minus 2, 8. Now this is 2. So we take common 12. 12 minus 3, 9. So this is 9. So this answer is what? 0.98. So 0.98 is the right answer. So this is 1.30 minus 0.32. 10 minus 2, that is 8. This is 2. So this is 12 minus 3, 98. So correct answer is what? 0.98. In this way we have found first question probability of A intersection B, and second part probability of A by B, and third part probability of A union B. This was the question number 3. चलो अब आते हैं next question, and that is question number 4. So now this is question 4. So answer 4. What is the question? Evaluate probability of A union B. So we have to find probability of A union B is what? That is question mark we have to find. And what is given? Twice probability of A equal to probability of B equal to what? 5 by 13. So from this you can find probability of A equal to 5 upon 26, because this 2 go here, so it is denominator multiply. So 5 by 26. In the same way from here probability of B is what? That is 5 by 13. Now we know we have to find probability of A union B, and here what is given? That is this given, and P of A by B also given. So this is probability of A by B, yani conditional probability of A given 2 by 5. So we know probability of A by B given 2 by 5. And probability of A by B can be written as A intersection B divided by probability of B, and this equal to what? That is 2 by 5. Right? So probability of A intersection B we have to found. So probability of A intersection B is this. We have to found. Probability of B is what? 5 by 30. So this is 5 upon 30. And this equal to what? Given 2 by 5. So probability of A intersection B. So probability of A intersection B equal to what? 5 by 30 multiply 2 by 5. So this 5 cancel. You will get 2 upon 30. So this is probability of A intersection B. We have to find probability of A union B. So you know the formula, probability of A union B. So probability of A union B what? Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So probability of A is what? Probability of A is 5 by 26. So this is 5 upon 26 plus probability of B is what? 5 by 13. So this is 5 by 30 minus probability of A intersection B we have found 2 by 30. So this is what? 2 upon 30. Now LCM of denominator, that is 26, 13 and 13. So what will be the LCM? LCM will be 26. Everyone know 26, 13, 13 LCM 26. So this is 26. So this is 5 plus 13 2 jar 26. So 2 5s are 10. Again 13 2 jar 26. 2 2 jar 4. So what is this? 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4 how much? 11. So 11 upon 26. This is the required answer. In this way we can solve this question very easily. So we have to find probability of A union B. What is given? Twice probability of A equal to probability of B 5 by 13. And we have, and what is given? Probability of A by B already given. So probability of A union B question mark we have to find. Twice probability of A equal to probability of B 5 by 13. So probability of A is what? 5 by 13 divided by 2. So 5 by 26. Probability of B already 5 by 13. Probability A by B 2 by 5. So A by B 2 by 5. So we know formula A intersection B upon P of B. With the help of this we will find probability of A intersection B. Now probability of A union B, we know the formula, probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection. So put the value and find your correct answer. Okay, now last question, question number 5. So this is the question 5. So answer 5. So question is what? Probability of A given 6 by 11. Probability of B given 5 upon 11. And probability of A union B given 7 by 11. So first we have to find, first part, probability of A intersection B. So we know probability of A union B equal to probability of A plus probability of B and minus probability of A intersection B. So A union B already given 7 upon 11 and probability of A given already 6 by 11. Probability of B given 5 by 11 and probability of A intersection B we have to find. So when we solve this number, so this number probability of A intersection become this side. So probability of A intersection B equal to what? This is 6 plus 5, 11. So this is 6 plus 5, 11. So this is 11 by 11 minus this is 7 by 11. So you know LCM is same, 11, 11. So 11 minus 7, 4. So correct answer is what? 4 by 11. This is the correct answer. Now see the second part. Second part is what? Probability of A by B. So we know formula, probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. So probability of A intersection B we have already found 4 by 11. So this is 4 by 11 and divided by probability of B. So it will be given 5 by 11. So just put the value 5 by 11. We will get 4 by 11 multiply 11 upon 5. So this 11 cancel out. So you will get how much? 4 upon 5. So this is the right answer. Now the last point, that is the third point. Probability of B by A. So probability of B by A, what is formula? Probability of B intersection A and divided by probability of A. So A intersection B and B intersection A both are same. So this is given 4 by 11. This is what? 4 by 11 divided by probability of A, that is given 6 by 11. So this is 6 upon 11. Now this equal to 4 upon 11 multiply 11 upon 6. So this cancel out. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. So correct answer is what? 2 upon 3. In this way we have solved all the parts of the question number 5. So I think आपको ये सारे क्वेश्चन बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ गए होंगे. अगर किसी भी क्वेश्चन में कोई प्रॉब्लम, if you have faced any problem in any question, please comment, okay? And in next video I will go for the next question of this exercise. Thank you.